Please, you are warmly welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to design business or complementary cards. We are going to make use of the business card maker. This is a premium app, so kindly install it on your phone. Let's launch our app. Click here. Okay, my name is Frank Ampreku, the founder of Expo GH IT Services. So this is the interface. Here, all your works will be downloaded and kept here. All your downloaded files. Then all your saved work or files will be kept here. Let's start. Click on create. We need to set up before we can continue. Okay, so let's fill our details here. Anywhere there is an asterisk is a required field and you can't leave it empty. Okay, so let's fill our details there. Alright, so that is my details. I have provided my details, so please kindly do that. Then let's come here. We need to upload a logo here. So I have to crop my logo. All right, so that's my logo here. So please, when you finish, click on save. All right, so these are templates that we can use. These are templates. We have the latest ones. We have latest ones. Yes. And any template with pro it means it's a premium template, but because I am using a premium version of the app, I can use it. But if you use the free version, you need to buy before you can use it. Just look through and choose one. Okay. Right, let me select this. Alright, so that is the moment you choose the template, it will fill in your details for you. Let's look at this place. This is the front. Let's click on it. It will show the back. So this is the back side of your complementary card, and then this is the front side. Okay, we can edit it. So let's start. Okay, this is our logo. We can change it where it is. We can place it at a different place. Okay, so let's start from here. So this is background. You can change the background color. You can choose any color from here for it, or you can upload a background from your phone. I am not going to do that. I'm maintaining my background, but you can do that. Okay, then we come to text. You can add text, okay. And this text you can as well edit. So you can add text to it. If there is anything that you still want to add, you can do that. Right, so then let's come to icons. So here you can add any of these icons, the social media icons. So maybe you want to provide a link to your social media handle, you can do that. So for instance, you can add the Facebook. Just hold the dot here to either increase or reduce the size. Click on your text, then you add maybe your name. So Facebook is Frank Ampreku. Then you click on apply. So you click and hold, then you come and add it to the text here. Okay, we have size. If you don't want to use the dot, you can click on size, text size, then you reduce it from here. Okay. So the size, you can increase it quite. So that is it, Facebook. So you can add any of these. So whichever handle you have, if you want to add it, you can add it to your complimentary card. Okay, let's go back. Then we come to shapes. If you want to add any shape, you can also do that. This normally will be required when you are creating from scratch. We will do that. Logo. Okay, so let's come to logo. And before we continue, let me work on my logo here. So you click on it and you can apply effects to the logo. You can change the color. You click on color, you can change the color of the logo. So you see, as I'm clicking on it, the color is changing. You can change the color here. Okay. Then the size, you can click on the size to change the size, either increase or decrease it. You can do that. Here. Then these arrows are for movement. You just click and hold. So for instance, if I wanted to go to the right hand side, I'll click on the right hand side and hold. You see it is moving. If it is left, you click on the left and hold to be moving. Up, the same thing, and down, the same thing. Okay, so that is the usage of it. So if you want to position it, you don't necessarily have to come and move it from here. You can use the movement keys here, that's the arrow keys here, to move it. Then we can also change the opacity. So you see, yes, you can change the opacity. Okay, you can do that. You can as well apply shadow. Let's try and see. Apply shadow. Okay, you can do that. So that is for, and this is the send back, so to send you back. That is for the logo. So you can work on it. That's for the logo. Okay. Now let's continue. With the text here, you can still edit it. So click on the text. Yes, any of the text here you can edit. You click on the text. So for instance, then you come to color. Let's start with color. You can change the color. Then the size, you can change the size. Font style, you can change the font style. There are a lot of them here. You can change it. Font style. Okay. So we have changed this. Let me position the logo well. Then here, this is rotate. You can use it to rotate it, and this is the arrow keys. Stroke. You can apply opacity and stroke. So let's try the stroke and see. So you just always use, when you click on it, it will be activated here. You use the dot here to either increase or decrease it. So this is opacity. Sorry, this is stroke. You can apply stroke to your text. Then we can also apply gradient. You can apply gradient. So you just choose the gradient color for it. Then the text spacing, you can change it. Okay, you can change it. Then as well, you can add shadow. You can add shadow. Then you can duplicate it. If you want to copy the same text, you click on duplicate. Alright, so you can apply it to all the text here. If you wish to, you can do that. Let me edit this. So you click on it. If you want to edit a text, you click on it, then you come and click on edit text. You can as well delete. I don't want this one. You click on it, then this is the delete button. You click on it to delete. You can delete. If there is something you don't want to add, you can delete. Okay, so this one, images. Probably you want to add an image. You have a picture that you want to add. You can do that. You can do that. Let's look at logos. So if you don't have a logo, you can get one from here. If you don't have a logo, just get one from here. Just click on it and it will come here. Then you position it well. And just like I did for my logo, you can apply all the various effects, color, opacity, all the effects you can apply to the logo. I don't need it, so let me delete it. Click here to delete. Then let's add this QR code. It will make my card more professional. So you add a QR code. Okay. Let me choose this. You see, because I have a logo, automatically it has added my logo to it. Okay, so let's click here, add QR code. Okay, so let's change the size. Then use this one to change the size. Okay. Then we can use this one to move it. You click and hold and be moving. This is the front side. Let's click on the back side. Okay, then we make changes there. We click on the logo. Let me increase the size. Then I can as well change the color. Then opacity, I can reduce it small. Okay, so when you are done, When you are done applying all the various effects, you can now download it. Now let's see, this is the save button. We have the save button here, and then we have the download button here. Okay, so now let's click on this. We are going to save it. Then you give it a name, card 1. Let me maintain that. Then you click on save. It's been saved. We have saved it. Now let's see, if we want to print it, we will have to save it as PDF so that we can print it. So please click here. Okay, then here we have PDF, and to be able to convert it to PDF, you should have the premium app. It is only the premium app that you can print as PDF. So please, we want to print as PDF. Let's click on this PDF. We have to give settings. We have to set our card size. So let's maintain the first one. Let's maintain the first one. Done. Now they're saying that 10 cards per A4 sheet. So every A4 sheet you can get 10 complimentary cards from it. So ready to print. Let's click on download. Completed. So you can now view downloads. You click on it. Alright, so when you come to the home here, this is downloads. You click on it, and all your downloads are here. Everything you've downloaded are here. Okay, so these are our downloads. You just click on it and it will open for you. So let's click. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so let's come here, please. Let's click on create. Now with the first one, we used a template. You can also create new without using any template. That's what we are looking at. So click on create new. So here you're going to do everything from scratch. So here you have to start. Let's give it a background. You can give it a background color, or if you want to upload an image, you can do that. Let's give it a color. Let's give it background color white. Then let's add text. Then you click on apply. Then we can add shapes. Okay, so let's look at how we can share our business card. Everything is here. So click on downloads here. Okay, then you click on the PDF, the one that you've saved. Click on it. Please come here. This the share button here. Click on the share. Okay, then you can share it on WhatsApp or any other platform that you want to share it. Okay, so if you want to share it with your colleagues, you just click on WhatsApp, and then you share it with them. Okay, or if you don't want to share it to it, just go to your gallery or your file manager, go to downloads. Okay, so downloads, you click on downloads and your PDF files are there. Alright, this lesson was brought to you by Expo GH IT Services with the founder Frank Ampreku.